Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will be listing the top 6 most popular all-inclusive resorts in Cancun, Mexico. Starting at number 6, Iberostar Selection Cancun. Nestled in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, the Iberostar Selection Cancun beckons with its oceanfront setting and family-friendly allure. This 5-star all-inclusive resort, just a 15-minute drive from Cancun International Airport, offers a prime location coupled with an array of facilities designed to cater to the enjoyment of guests of all ages. Accommodations at the Iberostar Selection Cancun are as varied as they are luxurious, with various suites offering spacious layouts, elegant decor, and warm ambiance. Most suites boast view of the Caribbean Sea, providing guests with a picturesque backdrop to their vacation experience. The resort's dining options are equally impressive, with 6 restaurants and a beachside food truck serving up a diverse array of culinary delights. From the international buffet at Buffet Antiguo Laguido to the teppanyaki menu at Naga Hibachi Teppanyaki, guests can indulge in a food journey around the world without leaving the resort grounds. For relaxation and rejuvenation, you can visit the Spa Sensations, where you can indulge in treatments like chocolate exfoliations and hot stone massages. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the resort's sports facilities, including tennis courts, basketball courts, and a football field. Scuba diving and golf are also available for those looking to explore the depths of the ocean or perfect their swing on the greens. Families will find plenty of entertainment options to keep everyone entertained throughout their stay. The Star Camp Kids Clubs offers a range of activities, including cooking classes and scavenger hunts, where the amphitheater hosts professional shows, dancers, and live music for guests of all ages to enjoy. With 10 outdoor pools to choose from, including an infinity pool with a swim-up bar and a dedicated kids splash pool with colorful slides, guests will have no shortage of opportunities to cool off and soak up the sun. Whether lounging by the pool, partaking in water sports, or simply enjoying the stunning views from their private terrace, guests of the Iberostar Selection Cancun are sure to create unforgettable memories during their stay at this luxurious resort. At number 5, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Royalton Splash Cancun is an all-inclusive resort located in the heart of Cancun, offering a vibrant and exciting atmosphere for families seeking an unforgettable vacation experience. Boasting 1,005 suites, including options like the spacious luxury junior suites and the expansive Sky Chairman 2-bedroom oceanfront suite, the resort provides luxurious accommodations with modern amenities and comfortable furnishings. Guests can enjoy private balconies or terraces, and royal signature rain showers, and complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi at each suite, ensuring a relaxing and enjoyable stay. One of the resort's standout features is its massive on-site water park, one of the largest in the Caribbean. With 14 slides, lazy rivers, pools, and splash areas for little ones, the water park provides endless entertainment for guests of all ages. Additionally, guests can enjoy outdoor pools, including an exclusive pool for Diamond Club guests, as well as an indoor lap pool at the Royal Spa. When it comes to dining, Royalton Splash Cancun offers a diverse selection of 12 restaurants serving up a variety of cuisines from around the world. From French delicacies at Ma Maison to Brazilian grill at Rio, guests can indulge in delicious meals prepared by talented chefs. Diamond Club guests receive preferential reservations at a la carte restaurants and access to exclusive dining experiences, adding an extra touch of luxury to their stay. For relaxation and rejuvenation, you can visit the Royal Spa, which offers a range of spa treatments and wellness amenities. From hydrotherapy circuits to fitness classes and beauty treatments, there are plenty of ways to unwind and pamper yourself during your stay. Fitness enthusiasts can also take advantage of the gym, which features state-of-the-art equipment and fitness classes led by certified instructors. Evening entertainment is abundant with nightly shows, like sports screenings, and a hotel-run kids club providing supervised activities for children aged 4 to 12. During the day, guests can participate in a variety of activities, including beach volleyball, water sports, and cooking classes, ensuring there's never a dull moment. Number 4 on the list is the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres. Situated on the pristine shores of Costa Mujeres Beach, the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres Resort and Spa is a shining gem among Cancun's 5-star beachfront hotels. Located just 30 minutes from the vibrant town of Cancun and its international airport, this resort offers guests an idyllic retreat in the heart heart of the Mexican Caribbean. One of the distinguishing features of the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres is its commitment to environmental sustainability. Built with minimal environmental impact in mind, the resort seamlessly blends modern architecture with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Nestled amidst mangrove forest and winding canals, guests can immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature while enjoying top-quality services and amenities. Accommodations at the resort range from spacious suites to luxurious villas, all featuring balconies or terraces, hydro massage baths, and stunning views of the lagoon, gardens, or Caribbean Sea. Whether you choose a junior suite with poolside access or a beachfront junior suite with panoramic ocean views, each room offers the perfect blend of comfort and elegance. The resort boasts an impressive array of dining options, with 7 a la carte restaurants serving up gourmet cuisine from around the world. From Italian trattoria to Thai cuisine, guests can indulge their taste buds in a food journey unlike any other. For a truly unique dining experience, head to the Cabaret Restaurant, where performers entertain guests while they dine. When it comes to relaxation and recreation, the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres has it all. 3 pools, including a sprawling outdoor pool 8 times the size of a tennis court, provide plenty of space to swim and enjoy the sun. The Beach Club offers stunning views of the Caribbean Sea, with a sunken pool and bar for guests to enjoy. Evening entertainment is plentiful, with nightly shows at the amphitheater and live music at various bars throughout the resort. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the Extra Time Sports Bar, where major games are broadcast on live TV on huge screens, and activities like pool and ping pong are available 24/7. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Zentropia Spa offers a range of treatments and amenities, including hot and cold whirlpools, steam rooms, saunas, and a juice bar. Fitness enthusiasts can stay active at the gym, which features cardio machines and weight training equipment. Families are well catered for, with a dedicated kids club offering activities for children of all ages. From aqua aerobics to mini golf, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a luxurious escape, the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres Resort and Spa offers an unforgettable experience that combines natural beauty with modern luxury. If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to check out the links below to book your stay in Cancun at the best possible price. Third on the list is Secrets the Vine. Secrets the Vine Cancun by AMR Collection stands as a distinguished, all-inclusive resort catering exclusively to adults in the heart of Cancun's vibrant hotel zone. Boasting an exquisite location with panoramic vistas of the Caribbean Sea and Nichupte Lagoon, this luxurious retreat is designed to offer a refined experience for discerning travelers. The resort features a total of 497 elegantly appointed rooms, including 217 suites, each meticulously crafted to blend modern sophistication with elements of mid-century decor. Italian porcelain floors and teak wood furnishings grace the living spaces, while private balconies provide enchanting views of the azure waters and lush surroundings. Guests are treated to a range of amenities, including 24-hour room service, concierge assistance, and complimentary Wi-Fi access, ensuring a comfortable and seamless stay. Dining at Secrets the Vine is an indulgent affair, with 7 distinctive restaurants, from the tantalizing flavors of Peruvian cuisine at Sea Salt Grill to the authentic Mexican fare served at Market Cafe. Guests can embark on a gastronomic adventure without the need for reservations. Thanks to the resort's unlimited luxury concept, the resort's bars, including the upscale Red Vine Piano Bar and the lively Halftime Sports Bar, provide the perfect settings to unwind with signature drinks and live entertainment. A wealth of activities and entertainment options awaits guests seeking relaxation or adventure. The fitness center offers state-of-the-art equipment and a variety of classes, from yoga to spinning, catering to health-conscious guests. Evenings at Secrets the Vine are alive with music, shows, and themed parties, providing ample opportunities for guests to immerse themselves in the vibrant ambiance of Cancun's nightlife. For moments of tranquility, the outdoor whirlpool bath offers a serene retreat amidst the resort's lush landscape. The resort's commitment to luxury extends beyond its amenities to its attentive service and meticulous attention to detail. Whether guests are lounging by the pool, exploring the nearby attractions, or indulging in a romantic dinner overlooking the sea, every aspect of their stay is carefully curated to exceed expectations. At number 2 is Royalton Riviera. Situated just 15 minutes from Cancun International Airport, the Royalton Riviera Cancun offers a contemporary, all-inclusive resort experience in the Riviera Maya, boasting 840 suites, 10 restaurants, 11 bars, and an array of amenities. This resort promises unforgettable adventures during the day and vibrant entertainment at night. Accommodations at the Royalton Riviera Cancun are designed to provide ultimate comfort and convenience. Each of the 840 rooms and suites features features the exclusive Dream Bed, high-thread couch sheets, modern amenities such as USB recharge and Bluetooth audio stations. You can enjoy 24-hour concierge service, complimentary Wi-Fi, rain showers, television, and a stocked minibar. Additionally, rooms include balconies or terraces, providing opportunities to soak in the stunning views of the mangrove, ocean, or swim-out pools. The resort comprises 3 distinct sections tailored to guest preferences: the resort section, Diamond Club section, and the hideaway at the Royalton Riviera Cancun, offering a resort within a resort experience. Families are well catered for with special facilities for children and a variety of age-appropriate activities supervised by professionals. Dining options at the resort are abundant, with 9 restaurants serving a diverse range of cuisines, including Italian, Tex-Mex, Indian, and Caribbean. Guests can savor international buffet delights at Gourmet Marche, indulge in traditional Italian fare at Grazie Trattoria, or enjoy Tex-Mex specialties at Tex-Mex Armadillo. The Royalton's entertainment offerings cater to all ages and interests. Guests can unwind at the Martini Mix Bar, enjoy live sports at Score Sports Bar, or indulge in a culinary experience at CX Culinary Experience. Families can spend quality time together at the Splash Park, featuring colorful slides and interactive water features. Evening entertainment includes live shows, outdoor performances, and activities for teens at the dedicated Hangout Lounge. For those seeking relaxation and wellness, the Royal Spa offers a range of massages, body treatments, and hydrotherapy circuit experiences. Fitness enthusiasts can stay active at the gym, equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, and offers a variety of classes from Pilates to kickboxing. Overall, the Royalton Riviera Cancun provides a dynamic and inclusive resort experience where every guest can create lasting memories amidst the beauty of the Riviera Maya. And at number 1 is the Moon Palace Cancun. Moon Palace Cancun is the ultimate holiday destination in Cancun, offering a diverse array of activities to cater to every guest's desires. This resort provides both relaxation and excitement with its 27-hole Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, 5 inviting swimming pools, and the thrilling Flow Rider Surf Simulator. Guests are guaranteed non-stop entertainment right on site. Dining at the Moon Palace Cancun is a delight, with 19 bars and restaurants serving up a variety of delights. From buffet-style dining to exquisite a la carte options featuring Italian and Brazilian cuisine, the resort ensures that every taste is satisfied. With 7 bars spread out throughout the property, guests can enjoy refreshing drinks at any time. Accommodations are luxurious and comfortable, with well-appointed rooms and suites offering amenities like whirlpool tubs and plush king-size beds. Whether staying in the Sunrise, Nizuc, or Golf Villa sections, guests can expect top-notch service and breathtaking views. The resort is divided into 3 distinct sections, each with its own ambiance. Nizuc boasts stunning oceanfront views and impeccable service, while Sunrise offers convenient access to dining options and 24/7 room service. The Golf Villas provide a serene retreat with panoramic views of the golf course, perfect for those seeking tranquility. Moon Palace Cancun caters to leisure and entertainment with activities for guests of all ages. Children can enjoy supervised fun at the Kids Club, while teens can hang out at the Wired Lounge, equipped with arcade games and entertainment options. The resort also features extensive land and water sports facilities, including tennis courts, dive tanks, and water sports marinas. For those seeking relaxation, the spa at Moon Palace offers a range of rejuvenating treatments and facilities, including saunas, steam rooms, and couples massage rooms. Whether seeking adventure or relaxation, Moon Palace Cancun promises an unforgettable holiday experience for guests seeking the perfect blend of excitement and tranquility. If you think one of these resorts is perfect for you, check out the links below to book your stay for the best possible rate online. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.